Hi there, this is Chantel Eckhouse, and I'm going to be your instructor this semester in college algebra. This is our Canvas page, and I just want to do a quick as possible, overview of what you will find here and what's important. The first thing that I talk about here on the first page, and this page will change. I'll probably have announcements and things so that you'll see them right when you log onto the home screen. So there's some important things here about making sure that you enroll in the workshop that is going to be happening on August 27 and 29. If you do miss that workshop, you will be missing a huge amount of material, so please get in touch with me if there's any reason that you can't do it. So down here are the three things you need to do first. Of course, where it says video link here, there will be a video there as soon as I've got it done. And then you need to do two other things: read and complete the tasks in preparing for your first day as soon as possible, and then read things to know about this class. And then there will be a quiz over the kind of beginning things, the syllabus, and that'll be your very first quiz. And basically all you have to do is read the syllabus and answer the questions on the quiz, and you should be able to get 100%. So if you click on preparing for the first day here, it will automatically take you to a page. So up here at the top it says pages, so now you're in the pages, so it linked you to that, and it tells you what you need to do here. And all of these red links here, especially when they have a little button next to them, they're going to take you to either a page that you can look at, a PDF file, a link of some sort it's going to take you somewhere else. So you'll need to be able to navigate back to this page. You can also have multiple tabs open from your Canvas screen if you'd like to, so you can be looking at multiple things at once. So here is how to get your textbooks and sign up for online homework. You need to do that before class starts. You also need to make sure that you've got your textbook. Please bring a 3-ring binder, a calculator, pencil, some sort of a smartphone we may be using once in a while, and laptops, we won't be needing to borrow them because we will have computers in the classroom. Then if you look down here, what you need to do also is complete the Getting to Know You survey. That will be a homework assignment, and then the course information quiz like I mentioned before. So if you come up here and you just click on Home, that'll take you right back to where we were before. Okay, so those are the things that you need to do as hopefully before class starts. If you come down a little bit farther, on this main screen I just made 3 nice little buttons here to get to some important things. One is the syllabus, the other are the class resources that you may need for this class, and the last one are just to go directly to the learning modules. So there's 2 different ways to get to the learning modules. One is up here on the left, and the other one is here on the main screen. So either way, the class resources, this is the only link directly to the class resources, and I'll take you there in just a moment. Down here below is a list of all of the things that you need to know about getting hold of me. So there's my office hours, and I will be having office hours on Zoom on Monday nights before class, the day before class. So that way, if you have questions on homework before the quiz and things like that, you can come to get on Zoom and ask me questions. And then I'll also be in the room the hour before class starts. All right, so I think that's it for this page. Go back down real quick and think about that. I think we got it all. Okay, over here on the right, what you're going to see is just kind of upcoming to-do items for the class, and these are the things that are due in order. Not everything is due on the day of class, so I do have some things due midweek just to kind of help you keep going and staying on track and doing things in the correct order that you need to be doing them. All right, I said I would click on class resources for you, so I'll click here on class resources so you can see what is in here. There's all sorts of things, things to know about this class. I have linked multiple times because it's really important. It's basically the syllabus for the class. It has all the policies and everything you need to know. And then down here we're going to be using Edpuzzle a lot. We are going to be using Quizlet, Khan Academy, and Tutor.com. These first 3 you need to create accounts for. If you do that before you come to class, it'll just make things simpler. Down here below are some downloadable resources. So these are things that are generally PDF files that that I may be handing out. Sometimes I'll hand them out. Sometimes you'll just need to get on here and print it. But most of these things I will hand out to you. Okay, so coming back up here to the top, I'm going to go next to the syllabus. So the syllabus is a great place to go. I almost made it the home page because it really has everything you need to do each and every day. It has how the grades are separated. It has a calendar. And again, things to know about this class is here. And so preparing for the first day needs to happen before the first day, obviously, and that's a list of things that I showed you before. And then week 1 and week 2 are done. Week 3 is not done yet, so I'll add to this as we go. And then down here is a summary of everything that either is due or you need to do. So notice some things say to do, some things say do. If it says to do, it's just something that you need to do. And if it has due, that means it's worth points. So again, is preparing for the first day, something that I'd like you to do, and by September 3rd. And week 1 expectations. Now this is something that I will do every week, and you'll see the week 1 expectations, week 2 expectations, and it will basically be a summary of everything we're going to do that week. The class topics and activities will be listed here, all the homework topics that we will be doing, and I won't always list every XYZ homework because there's going to be an XYZ website that will have everything, including a calendar with all the assignments. I'm not reading all of this to you. You need to come back and do this later. And then helpful resources, I'm going to try to list every single week for every section that we do and find resources for you in case our resources aren't enough. And you can come here and try a lot of extra. There's just a plethora of things you can do here. Okay, so I highly recommend that you do that. If you come to modules, modules is just a different way to look at all of this. So the first module is before the first day. And you can see everything here. Preparing for the first day was the thing you were supposed to read. Getting to know you survey was a homework assignment. And the course information quiz was the quiz based on the syllabus. And then you can see week 1 is here and the different things that you need to do in week 1. Okay, so that's just another way to look at things. Okay, so we've looked at the home, the modules, and the syllabus. Down here, you can just see the assignments listed with nothing else. So these are just the things that are due for credit, and they're generally listed in order. You can also see the quizzes. Some of the quizzes will be right here on Canvas, and some things, of course, we will do math quizzes in class. So we'll have that to do as well. So this is the quizzes page, and there's only one quiz listed so far. And then you can go to your grades and you can go into Zoom. I'm not sure if I'll be using it directly from here or not, or if I'll just send you a link. We'll have to see how that goes. So that's a general overview of our Canvas site, and I recommend that you spend a bit of time before class starts going through all of this stuff and just kind of trying to figure out how it works, since you're probably new to Canvas, and to get to know your way around our class. All right, so I can't wait to see everybody and get started in college algebra. Thanks.